Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to unfollow from posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app after the latest update. Whether your feed is getting a little too crowded, or you want to clean up whose posts you see, this will help you do it easily in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's loaded, head straight to your home feed or your following tab anywhere you can see posts from the account you're thinking of unfollowing. You don't need to go to their profile. A single post will do just fine. Next, locate one of their posts in your feed. When you find it, look to the upper right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. Those dots are your shortcut to a list of quick options and settings for that specific post and account. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear, showing several choices. Look carefully for the option that says Unfollow. This is what you'll need to click to stop seeing new posts from that account. Once you choose Unfollow, the change happens immediately. You won't receive new posts or updates from that account in your feed anymore. But don't worry, you can always follow them again at any time with just one click. That's all it takes. Open the app, find a post from the account you want to unfollow, click the 3 dots, and select Unfollow. Easy, quick, and perfect for keeping your feed tailored exactly how you like it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to explore your settings further. X often updates its interface, so checking these options regularly can help us stay ahead of the curve and manage your online experience the way you want it. Thanks for watching.